Okay, I wonder what is this fragile item. Let's just see. Okay, that's it. Let's see what they are. Fragile. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! This is a Van Gogh Starry Night in 3D. That's a really magnificent piece of art. And it's a fridge magnet. Oh, oh, it's beautiful. Let me see what is the other one. Oh, there is extra magnet attached. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, the magnet comes off. I have to attach it again. Oh, it's Van Gogh sunflower. Oh, that's beautiful. Let's see, what is this one? Oh, wheat farmers. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, the best thing I've ever got. Three fridge magnets. I have to attach this one back again to that. That is lovely. The most beautiful fridge magnets. They are amazing. Okay, I have now put the two magnets on the back of this, and this is repaired now. Beautiful.